Squelchy, squelchy. Hey up, I'm Nott'm lass, and with being stuck in the house all day and not being able to go to the Peak District at the moment due to bad weather, I've come out to my local forest for some fresh air, and it's really nice and peaceful here. So I thought, you know what, get my drone out and have a nice coffee with my Jetboil that I got for Christmas. Has anyone else been on any nice local walks? Where have you been? Comment below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. I just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Giveaway will be coming soon, I promise. So I've been trying to find somewhere to sit down with my Jetboil. I just come across this thing and 2 tree stumps, so let's make a table and chairs. Okay. Okay, so we're at the table. It's so cute around here, honestly. So nice. So I'm gonna get all my stuff out. Here's my nice flask of water. How cool is that? Guitarist at heart. Got my helicopter pad, using that soon. So in this bag we have my new Jetboil. Been dying to use this for like the past week. Obviously I can't use it in the house, not allowed to. Gas. And the stand. Get it all set up. I'm going to put a bag somewhere. Where should I put it? There we go, making myself at home. Right. Okay, so lighter. I hope it works. I think it's run out. But anyway, let's get this onto the stand. I've not used this yet, so please bear with me. And my hands are very cold. There we go, it's on the stand. Change the angle now so you can see it better. But we've got the gas canister on the stand. Jetboil, this comes with a top thing. And I bought some instant lattes because bringing tea would be a bit of a faff, you know, tea bags, milk, everything. So yeah, got these, try out. So you get this, I'm assuming. Bear with me please, people. Get that, put that on there. Tighten it up. Take this off. This is the cup and bowl. Very, very cute. This is very dirty. I did wash it out before I came. Anyway. Yeah, it's definitely working. Okay, so that's working now. It's always just putting the water in here first. To the line. And then put it in to here. And screw it in. Coconut or an oat? What do you want? What do you fancy? So we're gonna just put this on here to keep the heat. Like so. Takes about 2 minutes apparently to boil. So let's wait it out. I'm so cold. I really fancy a nice hot drink as well. It's getting warm now. That's really nice on your hands. Hot water. Let's pour it into my bowlet. So I have got a confession to make. There's always one thing that I forget to bring, and today that was a spoon. So sometimes in life you've got to improvise. Oh, delicious. As long as it keeps me warm, I'm not really fussed. And also leave no trace. That's going to go in my pocket. Put it there for now. So So let's give this coffee a go. I'm not really a fan of coffee, but I got these for Christmas, so why not? Give it a go. Oh, it really warms you from the inside out. That's nice. You know what? As much as I love going to a cafe and getting a coffee, sometimes there's not always cafes available. Beautiful. What's that one? That was the oat one. Oat Nescafe Gold. Vegan oat Nescafe Gold. So I want to give a few shout outs today. I've been meaning to do these for a while now. But anyway, massive shout out to Jeff in California for buying me loads of coffees on the site coffee. I'll put the link here. Go and check it out. But thank you, Jeff, so much. And to Addy, who has recently bought me a coffee. Thank you so much, Addy. I hope you're well. And yeah, thank you so much for that. It means a lot to me. So I know it's not advised to fly a drone next to trees, but I found the perfect location for the Jetboil, so yeah. And it's a lot bigger than you think around here, so yeah. Okay, so it's absolutely freezing. I can't feel my hands, so I'm gonna pack up and go. So yeah, you can watch me pack up if you want. Turn the drone off, phone away. Actually shaking, it's so cold. Take the little things off. Honestly guys, this is such a cool piece of kit. One of the best things I've ever had in my life actually. I just can't wait to try it further afield. Oh my God, I can hardly feel anything right now. Turn the drone off. Twist. Not a problem. There's nothing better than being outdoors. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the excess water. There we go. And of course, never leave a trace. So, leave no trace, nothing's left behind, it's all clear. So, just a short video today everyone. It's so cold outside. I do feel it a lot actually. I'm shaking. I need a nice hot shower. And a cup of tea. Nice cup of tea. But anyway, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!